Hey everybody, welcome back to my kind of art, and I hope everyone had a great new year. And for today's video will be kind of a part 2 with the other video that I recently made featuring Godzilla, and I just wanted to try out this food coloring marker that you can actually draw on fondant and things like cookies and different type of pastries, and I wanted to give it a shot. So yeah, go ahead and check out this video, and if you haven't done so already, the other video was uploaded on my channel under the creative food section of my channel. So yeah, go ahead and check it out and like, comment, and subscribe. Later, bye.